In this video, we'll show you how to track your testing progress using Zephyr's built-in reports and custom Jira dashboards.
The first thing you need to do is click on the Reports tab on the top menu. Here, you have access to 31 different report options, divided into traceability and test execution categories. The traceability reports show the coverage of specific Jira issues to test cases, while the test execution reports can provide a high level or an in-depth summary of your progress. Another way to track your progress includes dashboards. Here, you need to click at the top left-hand menu and click on Dashboard. You can select Create a Dashboard and fill out the following fields, but for now, we're going to look at an existing dashboard instead. From here, we can view our testing progress by using different gadgets that Zephyr provides. We can simply add a gadget by clicking the Edit button. On the right-hand section of the screen, we can search for the Zephyr-specific gadgets. This will display all the Zephyr gadgets that are available to view and track your testing progress. Now you've officially learned how to view your testing progress in Zephyr.
If you want to learn more about Zephyr, check out the full walkthrough video or try it for free with the link in the description.